Fetch Rewards support response time depends on the type of problem you report and how much information you include in your support request. By the end, you'll know what affects Fetch Rewards support replies, how to create a better support request, and what to check while waiting for a response. Section 1 is understanding how Fetch Rewards support works. When you contact Fetch Rewards support, the team needs details about your account and the issue you are experiencing. A request without enough information can require additional messages before the problem can be reviewed. If your issue involves missing points, a receipt problem, an account question, or a reward issue, explain exactly what happened. Include details like the receipt information, the offer involved, the date of the activity, and screenshots when available. A complete support request gives the team the information needed to investigate without asking for basic details again. Section 2 is what can affect your response time. Some issues require more review than others. A simple question may be easier to resolve than a problem involving account activity, missing points, or transaction history. Before creating a new support request, check if you already have an open conversation with Fetch Rewards support. Multiple requests about the same issue can make it harder to keep all information in one place. Use the same support thread when you need to provide updates. This keeps your previous messages and details connected. Section 3 is what to do while waiting for a response. Start by checking your original request. Make sure you included the information support needs, such as screenshots, receipt details, and a clear explanation of the problem. Next, review your Fetch Rewards account activity. Check your points balance, recent scans, and related activity to see whether the issue has already been updated. If you submitted a receipt-related issue, confirm that the receipt image is readable and includes the required information. Clear documentation helps support review the situation. If you need to follow up, reply to the existing support conversation instead of starting another ticket. Keeping one conversation helps maintain the full history of your issue. The key points are simple. Fetch Rewards support response time depends on the issue type and the details provided. A clear request with complete information makes the review process easier. Your next step is to check your current support request, add any missing details, and monitor the same support channel for updates. If this guide helped you understand Fetch Rewards support response times, like the video and subscribe for more Rewards app guides.